Hej, köttbullar, 16.
Can you follow chocolate? Otta? Okay. We are at IKEA round 2. I got to order mine finally. And Ari got a bunch. He's hungry. We're hungry.
Angry. No.
We just played POE 2 all morning. Arya and I are speed running IKEA because there's so many people. It's the weekend. We're on stop 2, Plantagen. This is where we're gonna go plant shopping because IKEA was too much for us.
Too hectic.
Too hectic. So hopefully this is a more relaxed shopping. It's very slippery, so we are being very careful. Okay. I think we have decided on one plant, which is this one. It's called, I already forgot what it's called.
Calathea sender.
Calathea sanderiana. So this is what we've decided. I'm gonna put this around the trellis. And this one, I like the pot that we got. Yay! Weekend shopping, not fun. It's kind of back like I'm back in Vancouver. Too many people. Fishball sauce. Honey, they have the manong sauce. We're on a hunt for some longanisa and tocino. We are on our 3rd Asian market. They have xiaolongbao though. Honey, they have xiaolongbao.
You think it'll be good though?
Well, do we have any other choice? Hello. We got chat time.
Mm-hmm.
The hunt for what are we hunting? Tocino and
Longanisa.
was a failure. We can't find any.
It's close today.
The popping bubbles, man. I got a mango black tea with mango popping jelly. Green tea? No, black tea.
It just has both green and black on it.
Yeah. We were just at church. It was nice. It's kind of gray outside. Yeah, so we're just walking around the city. I'm gonna do a haul. You got this salted egg flavored noodles. It's Thai, so it could be spicy, but I don't know. We'll see. Also, for anyone wondering what my mic is, that's a mic. We got ube pandesal with cheese, ube cheese pandesal for breakfast. Pancit canton. Calamansi flavor, my favorite. Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Oh, we got this. Pandan flavor. It's a peanut butter for the Filipinos out there. It's the Lily's pandesal, Lily's peanut butter. And the xiaolongbaos, frozen xiaolongbaos. Tomorrow is me and Arya's anniversary, and I'm super excited. I don't know what he has planned. I kind of have an idea. I think I know what we're doing, but I want to keep it as a surprise. So he wants to tell me, but he doesn't. I told him no.
So I've been keeping this a surprise for 2 months. And since we're going tomorrow and there's a bit of things we need to planned for. It was inevitable that she kind of figured it out.
Yeah. So what he's trying to mention is that we needed to pack this. It's a bag full of clothes, and he also has his. So I guess it'll be overnight.
It's not overnight. I'm going to the gym.
You're going to the gym? Oh no! Teresa would love you.
Gym with pajamas.
So yeah, so that will do that. But today we're gonna go to Gamestan to do some Christmassy stuff because we haven't really been able to enjoy the city because I've been so busy doing all the migration, working permit stuff. So now we can actually enjoy it. We're gonna go to Gamestan to see lights in the market and the bookstore as usual. Here is my OOTD, my huge puffy jacket, scarf. Shout out to Teresa for this beanie. Got my corduroy inside. It's gonna be cold outside, so I need to layer up. Another long sleeve, pants. I got long johns inside and long socks. So this is how you weather up. This is how you layer up in Sweden because it gets cold and it works. And gloves, of course. So we're gonna be outside most of the time. Let's go!
Today is the day of every woman, every boy, and every girl who have raised their voice for their rights.
We're apparently going to Cafe Kakan, which is mud cake, because Arya's cold. We're only supposed to get one. Arya wanted the second one. This is my favorite section of this bookstore, the Studio Ghibli bookstore. I really like that cookbook there and this bento cookbook there. Here's Gigi. Oh, it's a Gigi Pointers. We're at this pizza place and we got citron pizza. Hopefully it's good. It looks good. Ooh. It's lemony. How do you feel?
We just had good one.
We just had good pizza. Woo! Whoa, echoey. We just had the best pizza ever. If you like, I don't know why I'm putting my camera in my face, but I have my mic right here. If you like, which way? The other way. If you like some lemon flavored pizza kiosk in Gamla stan, highly recommended. It is possibly my favorite pizza ever. We are at Kungsträdgården. 3? Oh, Kungsträdgården. Or Kungsträdgården, where everyone ice skates. Look at that tree. You can see all the people who are really good at ice skating. Like this guy. Whoa! Whoa! Before we leave, we got a surprise for you. Got an anniversary gift. Does it? You already have a gift for me. Happy anniversary. It's nothing big.
It's the thought that counts.
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
It's another ring holder with our first miniature painting.
How long have you had this for? Since day one. This is so cute.
Yeah.
Thank you.
They're Ewoks.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. We are at the anniversary place. Arya actually told me yesterday already, so it's not a surprise. But
It
still,
was a surprise for 2 months.
yeah, it's a surprise for 2 months, and I was very happy when I found out about it. But we're here. It's a surprise for you guys. I unfortunately won't be able to record inside, but I will tell you what it is. It is a Japanese-inspired spa here in Sweden, and Arya has hyped it up for me, and I'm so excited. We get free swimsuits and yukata, and we're actually staying here as well, so I could probably record the hotel room, but just not the spa area, of course. But I'm excited, and dinner actually. I can probably record dinner. Yay! Let's go. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Happy anniversary.
Anniversary. Happy 3 years.
Happy 3 years. We are here. We've checked in. We're about to go in the room. Let's go. Ta-da! Oh, it's so pretty. This is me. This is Arya. So we have the yukata. Cute. Got slippers, which I put on the bed, but there's the slippers. And a swimsuit. And this is to go to the baths. Yeah, and we're supposed to just... Oh. Whoa.
Not super fancy.
It's still nice. And we're supposed to wear the yukata everywhere, basically. And this is us. This is the feet.
No fit.
Ooh. We're heading out now. I'll enjoy. Bye. Hello. We are just about to leave Yasuragi. I don't think I've ever said the name of the place, but we are at Yasuragi. It was an amazing, relaxing experience, and I would definitely recommend this place. It's about 30 minutes away from the city, Stockholm City. Sadly, I couldn't take any videos while I was inside, but it's just something for you to experience yourself. But I can explain what's inside. There were a lot of different kinds of pools, like hot pools, even cold plunge, which Arya and I love to end off our spa day. There's saunas, which I'm not really a fan of because I can't breathe in them. But my favorite part was the outdoor hot pool, because it's winter outside. So basically, outside it's winter everywhere, but it's winter. So it was nice to feel like the cold air over me and then hot water on my body. So that was my favorite part. I would stay there for a while. There's also nice foot baths. There's also like a tea room where we get free tea and fruit, and we could just relax there. There's like 2 types of tea, one hojicha and one genmaicha. And also there's like a rocking chair, like an automatic rocking chair, electronic, which you feel like you're in a boat while lying down. And there's like blankets as well, so everything was just like a moment of relaxation, and we loved it. Honey, nod if you like it. Nod, but okay. He can't speak right now because he's not wearing a mic. But yeah, so thank you so much for Yasuragi for being such an amazing, relaxing place. Thank you to Arya's parents, because I've heard that they have funded this anniversary. The food was also nice. It was like because it was a whole package that we had. So we got 1 starter and 1 main each, and I showed you guys what it was. So yeah, now we're heading back. I think a 1-night package was good enough for this experience. So yeah, let's go home and play some games.
Nerd.